So here we have this 300-liter container, and a certain amount of water was poured in. So let's say that was X liters of water. And then this remaining is milk. Then we're told that an amount of the solution was taken out, which was twice the volume of water, and that was already poured. So that means 2x taken out. And it's a mixture of water and milk here, so obviously there will be less milk as a percentage. And water was poured in. So we have this scenario where this 2x is water, and that is this mixture here. That's the mixture. And we're told that this resulting solution contains 72% milk. So this is still, the total volume is 300. So it will be 72 over 100 times 300 is the amount of milk in this entire container. And it's coming from this portion here, which is really, if you look at this volume, would be 300 minus 2x. So this 300 minus 2x volume, I need to figure out how much milk there is. And if we look at here, if x liters water, milk would be 300 minus x. So the fraction of milk would be 300 minus x over 300. And we're taking that fraction of this, which is this portion here. Because what we're saying is the amount of milk that's here is equal to 72% of the milk in the entire container. This is just water here. So this is our condition. And that's the one we have to solve for. So this drops out. And I'll move this 300 to the other side. So 72 times 3. So that becomes 216 times 300. And then I have this equation. I think in this case you will get a quadratic, and it's just kind of hard to guess the answer. So we do have to go through this. 300 square minus 600x minus 300x plus 2x square. So that becomes 2x square minus 900x plus 300 square minus 216 times 300 equal to 0. Here I'll factor out the 300. So it would be 300 minus 216. So that's 84. 84 times 300. And note we can divide by 2, so that would become minus 450 plus 42 times 300. So you can try to factor this. I mean, it's these numbers are kind of large. So I think how I did this was to just apply the quadratic formula. I didn't want to be using my brain to factoring this. It's just, but somehow some of us might be able to do it faster. But since I have the calculator, at least the basic operations, over 2. So 42 times 300 times 4. So that's 50,400. And it's probably going to be a nice number. So that would tell me 450 square. Yeah, I guess it's making calculator mistakes. Minus 50400. So I get 152,100, and then I take the square root of that, and that comes out 390. So I get 450 plus or minus 390 over 2. Can't be plus because then our volume would exceed 300 because the water X has to be less than 300. So 450 minus 390, that's 60 divided by 2. So the answer is 30. And I assigned X as what we needed was the amount of water in liters that was initially poured. So the answer is 30.